Welcome to my channel. In this video, let us explore about how to find square of a given two-digit number in the simplest way. While explaining, you'll find a bit tedious, but once you practice few examples, finding square of a number will be a cakewalk. The process to find square is made simple with this technique. It is nothing but the well-known algebraic identity. That is, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Come on, let's get started. Let's get into the first example. Here, the question is to find 53 square. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to consider the given two digits as a and b. So in our case, a is 5 and b is 3. And just I'm going to apply the identity. So here I've written a square, 2ab and b square. So a square is 5 square, that is 25. And 2ab is nothing but 2 into 5 into 3, that is 30. And b square is nothing but 3 square, that is 9. Now let's find the solution. Start from the back end. Here 3 square is nothing but 9. So I've written 9 here. Always remember, when you get a number with more than one digit, take it as a carry. Next, 2ab is nothing but 30. So I have written 0 here and 3 is taken as carry. And a square is 25. So I am adding the carry to it, that is 25 plus the carry 3, that is 28. So I am just writing this 28. So the answer for 53 square is 2809. Next question is to find 37 square. Similarly, here a is 3 and b is 7. I am writing the identity format a square, 2ab, b square. So a square is 3 square, that is 9, and 2ab is 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42, and b square is 7 square, that is 49. As I already told while writing, when you get a number more than one digit, take it as a carry. So here b square is 49, so I am writing 9 here and 4 is taken as carry. So 2ab is 42 and adding the carry 4 to it, we get 46. So 6 is taken here and 4 is taken as a carry. And a square is 9 and plus the 4 carry. So it is 13. So 13. So the answer for 37 square is 1369. Here the next example is to find 105 square. This technique can even be extended to 3 digits in few cases. Here I have taken a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Since remembering multiples of 10 is easy, this technique can even be applicable here. And next, proceed in the similar manner. Here a is 10 and b is 5. Similarly, the format a square, 2ab and b square. So a square is 10 square, that is 100, and 2ab is nothing but 2 into 10 into 5, that is 100 again, and b square is 5 square, that is 25. Similarly, we always take the carry to the next place. So 25 is taken as 5 here and 2 is taken as the carry. And I'm adding 100 plus the carry 2. So 100 plus 2 we'll get it as 1 or 2. So I'm writing 2 here and the next two digits, that is 10, is taken here. And finally adding the carry 10 to 100, that is to a square, we get 110. So the answer for this question is 11025. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this technique useful. Once you practice few questions, it will be still easier for you. Thank you.